What's up guys? Although Huawei has been developing the HarmonyOS for many years, this system hit the public domain after the ban on Huawei by the United States. The Chinese manufacturer has been working on this system and it is already available for some Huawei smartphones. However, it is a beta version that is available for now. Nevertheless, we expect the first public beta to arrive soon. Late last month, Huawei HarmonyOS 2.0 commenced beta testing. Users that registered for this beta testing already have the update from Huawei. For those who have this system, their system core is now HarmonyOS instead of the EMUI 11. However, there is a recent report regarding the Huawei HarmonyOS official ringtone. According to a Weibo leakster, Chang'an Digital King, Huawei has a new official ringtone on the HarmonyOS for mobile. However, this new ringtone is still based on the original version but with a few changes. We can obviously feel the different auditory experiences. First of all, let's hear this ringtone.
华为鸿蒙系统的定制版手机铃声什么样？大家一块来听一下。
So far, it appears that Harmony Operating System 2.0 for smartphone is doing pretty well. In fact, the acceptance level is way higher than the expectations. There have been no significant complaints or bugs in this new system. From the users' feedback so far, the system is perfect for daily use. The overall performance is an improvement to the EMUI 11 and it consumes less battery. Of course, there are some users that believe it is better than Android in some aspects. Nevertheless, we will wait for the official stable version before we have a conclusion on that. According to the Wang Chenglu, president of Huawei's Consumer Business Software Department and head of AI, HarmonyOS offers a unifying language for intelligence, interconnection, and collaboration of different devices. He claims that HarmonyOS will run on 300 million units of devices this year. This includes smartphones, tablets, and many other devices. At a recent event, this is what Wang Chenglu had to say. Do you think Harmony Operating System has what it takes to compete with the heavyweights Android and iOS in the market? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.